can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's Monday and it's getting a little gloomy outside. I think it's gonna rain again. What's new? So this afternoon I think I'm gonna take Beckham to the Amazium. It's a really cool place here locally. And we just got a membership, so I figured why not take advantage of it and go today and burn off some energy. So I'll take you guys along.
Slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. So put your
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head.
Anyways, we are back from the Amazium. We had a bunch of fun. My camera battery decided to die as soon as we got there. So I got some clips with my phone. I hope it's good enough. That's what I'm filming on right now. So sorry if the quality is different, but that's what happened. Anyway, I'm gonna check on dinner. I put chicken and potatoes in the crock pot. So super easy, and I'm gonna play with Beckham for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna do bath time and then bedtime. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that red subscribe button and join our YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. Thanks guys. Bye.